Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Highguard and you keep getting this problem, corrupted install detected with this error code, one or more files in your installation are corrupted or missing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Highguard easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your games platform, so Steam for me, and now what you're going to do is you're going to go into Highguard, you're going to right click on it, click properties and then you're going to go into installed files, and here you're going to click on to verify integrity of game files. What this will do is this will verify your game's files integrity, and if it finds any files that are corrupted or having problems, then it will re-download those files. It can take a minute or two depending on how fast your internet and your computer is. Once it's done with its process, now you can go ahead and play Highguard, and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that corrupted install detected error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.